Stop. Ever feel like the world is rigged to keep you hustling but never winning? Here's the wake-up call you didn't know you needed. Imagine a life where you're not chasing leads or glued to your phone, but watching your income grow on autopilot, effortlessly. Sounds unreal? That's because you've been stuck in the old system, the blue pill life. But today, you've got a choice. Take the red pill and step into AI Matrix Spillover. It's not just another promise. It's a revolution powered by AI that does the heavy lifting for you. Picture this. Your email list builds itself, your follow-ups happen while you sleep, and your network multiplies without you lifting a finger. This 2x2 matrix isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter and leveraging technology to your advantage. Fast $20 commissions, monthly recurring income, and a spillover effect that means you win, even when others win. No more being left behind or stuck in the grind. The code is changing, and you can be first in line. Are you ready to unplug from struggle and plug into abundance? Click the link and choose your reality. Your future self is waiting.